Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. You requested Leon to be back in the videos, and here he is in the vlogs. What's up, man? What's up, guys? So nice of him. He wanted to come down here and hang out with me and my mom. I'm just gonna go do some car stuff later, but my mom actually wants to go to the bank and run some errands, so I'm gonna go drive her and he's gonna come along. So we just made it home. I took my mom out to run some errands, took her to the grocery store, got her stuff.
Hi guys, thank you for always asking about me. I'm doing good right now, so I'm able to walk in 3 weeks.
So 3 weeks she'll be able to walk. She's been living the luxurious life, going in this wheelchair all the time, having me and my dad push her. Thank you guys so much for asking about her. She's on the road to recovery. I'm gonna put her inside and then me and Leon will hang out and do some car things.
First thing, I know you might have it before, but since I don't use it, I want to give it to you as a gift. It's like,
what?
It's like represent our friendship, brother.
You don't have to though. No, you don't have to give me anything. I'm being serious, you don't have to.
There you go. AFI air intake. It's from Takeda. You guys know AFI Power, right? So they always making air intakes for Lexus. I technically only use this for almost a month and a half, and I sold the car, so I'm gonna give back to Jason as a gift. This thing is very expensive. So
thank you. What?
Everything's set up. He just needs to install. It's a quick intake.
But why? You could just sell this.
No, I want to give it to you.
Oh my god.
As a friendship.
Thank you so much.
Represent our friendship.
Damn. I know you guys are probably wondering why I don't have one of these in general, is because I used to have one. This was one of the first mods I did on my car. I had an AEM intake and I got pulled over by the police. They popped my hood and I got state ref for it. So I just sold it and I told myself there's no point because the stock intake is better. The reason why I wasn't planning on getting another one was because the supercharger comes with, and we have goodie suit. Thank you so much. So the reason why I didn't get another one is because the supercharger comes with piping with, an intake and everything. So I thought I'll run stock until then, but now I have this to run until then, and it's gonna sound good.
Not just that, it could, increase your torque and also give you a little bit horsepower for your car too. It sounds a little bit different though, because last time I installed it, when you just rev the car and then it's here a little bit different,
From the front, right? You hear it, it's a little deeper.
Yeah, deeper, and it's now sound nicer. Make your car a little bit louder as well. Definitely a worth mod.
Man, thank you again.
Of course, brother. Always.
Wait, can you pop open the trunk one more time?
You guys want to see surprise?
I love Leon for giving me this. I love it, but I would much rather have this. I'd rather have that.
It's a brand new Corsa Performance Exo bag with the NPP for the Camaro, which is the brand new exhaust. They just have it a couple months ago, but it's took them 2 months to build this for me.
Yeah,
so.
Dude, it looks so good. Are you gonna film this? Are you gonna vlog it when you install it?
Yeah.
Help Leon out. He has had a YouTube channel for a while, but he's starting to vlog and do things to his car. So I'm gonna leave his channel right here. Make sure to check it out. Show my boy some love. Ooh, I'm excited for you.
I know, right, dude?
Your car's already loud and sounds good, but now it's gonna be even louder.
Oh, plus header's coming soon though.
All right, guys. Leon wants to put this on. It's probably gonna take 10-15 minutes, so let's get it done. Woo, I'm excited. I feel like a little kid. So we're gonna get rid of that.
Yep.
Put in that.
See this big pipe right here? It smells good.
Out with the old, in with the new. Looks empty. Let's do it. Someday, supercharger will be right there.
It's gonna be right there.
Yeah, I'll help you.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh, shit. What are you doing?
Damn, freaking Goku over here.
Shoot a bicep. Call me Bicep Leon. I guess, right?
Yeah.
And then you just kind of. Oh, yeah.
Don't worry, we still have to put on the other part. It's just test fit.
Yeah. It's good though. So far, it's good. Start up with the new intake.
What do you guys think? Looks good. Thank you, Leon. You want to start her up?
I got you. Let's go hear this thing scream.
sounds pretty good. What do you think?
Always better.
Oh my god. That looks so good. Thank you.
Always.
I honestly can't believe you gave this to me.
I told this guy like
expensive
3
this thing
times already. It's represent our friendship like 3 times, literally
Oh my
3
God.
times. And this guy just like, oh my god, I can't believe you gave me this. Show some love for Jason. That's all.
Thank you so much. Next year, since this year has taken a total shit, I might go to Vietnam with my parents and my girlfriend. Would you guys want to see me meet up with him? Because he has family over there and he might be able to go over there next summer too.
I'm gonna show you guys my Lambo.
Dude, his dad has all the sickest cars over in Vietnam, so comment down below if you want me to go back to the motherland with my boy
The motherland.
and my family. We're gonna go do a lot of sightseeing, and I just want to hang out, but he wants to show me some nice ass cars.
Let's go.
All right, so now we're gonna go grab a bite and just hang out, do some car stuff, maybe take you to some spots, do some photos, whatever it is you want to do. Whole day is yours. And then later, we're gonna go shoot photos with Josh and film a new intro. So I hope you guys are excited for that. I'm due for a new one anyways. Damn, look at this. I never thought I would have another one until the supercharger, but I'm gonna run this until I supercharge it. I'm gonna dyno it like this, because this is pretty much full bolt-on right now. Supercharge, dyno again, see the difference. So, thank you again.
Oh my, I got you.
I've only been driving the intake for like 10 minutes and I already have a check engine light. But it's not a bad thing. We know what it is. One of the hoses came off because it wasn't tight enough. I guess I was just driving too hard. But we're gonna go put it back on in a bit. Right now, Leon found a nail in his tire, so I'm taking him to my tire guy. There's a few people we went to and they couldn't take us in today. They were like, drop the car off and pick it up Saturday. Like, no, we need it done now. We have a fun-filled day and we need him to be able to drive. So I'm taking him to one of my plugs and they are going to be able to patch it up. So we're gonna drop off my car because I shouldn't be driving it until we fix the hose situation. But I also can't get into the driveway for that tire shop anyways, so we're gonna go into his car. It kind of sucks, shit happens. At least I have a guy for a majority of things and we'll be able to get him situated. Nervous?
Nervous. My ball is sweating right now.
But it's okay, we're getting it taken care of. We're at Mexicali Tires. If you guys are ever in Winnetka, this place patches up tires for cheap, 20, 25 bucks. Well, California decided to take a shit on everyone's plans today, and it's super smoky. Josh doesn't want to film. It's obviously not the best condition right now to film because it is bad for our health. The colors suck. I know we can color correct, but it's still not good. The thing about me and Josh is that we're perfectionists. We don't want to try to make something half-assed. Like, he wants this next intro to be amazing. So that's pretty much what we're dealing with. I'm pretty much gonna have to find something else to do today. I mean, at least I have Leon here. We can go like just kick it. So it might be like another 2 to 3 weeks until we can even go out to film an intro in proper lighting. But that's life. Nothing goes as planned. Right now, Leon is washing his car. He's trying out the touchless car wash. It's always the best. I honestly think I might get one too. I don't really need it because I'm not filming the intro, but it would be nice to wash my car. I mean, it's just gonna get ashy in the next like 3 hours anyways. Maybe I'll just wash it.
Thank you. You have purchased the works wash.
Did you guys hear that? Every time me and my girlfriend go here, we crack up because of that, because it says, you have purchased the worst wash. It's actually works, but it sounds like he says the worst. I ended up getting the car washed even though it's gonna be really ashy. Leon helped me detail my car. We got the wheels shining with some tire shine. And we thought, let's not let this car wash go to waste. And we actually found a car meet that's right next to my house. And this is gonna be your first meet.
First meet, never been into a car meet before.
So everyone's gonna have the pleasure of seeing your car all nice and clean. Look at that, matches you right now. So I guess we're gonna go to the car meet, we're gonna put on our mask, we're gonna be safe, we're gonna not really get close to anyone, just go to see the cars and show you guys the cars. I haven't been to a car meet in so long. I've been quarantining a lot. Whenever I'm working on my car, I go to the warehouse and it's just me and like 2-3 people there and that's it. Let's get it. Our cars are looking pretty good. So the meet is in about, I think, an hour and a half. We might get some boba and I'll see you guys there. And we are at the car meet. A few cars have pulled up. Looks extra black today, huh? Do you guys mind if I film your cars? No? Sweet. Thank you.
Make sure.
These lights, though.
Custom build.
Man, that is mean. Woo. Hey, bro, I think you need to go park over there with all the other muscle cars. They all sound mean.
Nah, they're all Mustangs down there.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Guys, we're 4 minutes into the meet. We already got kicked out. How do you feel, Leon?
I was so excited, and now I'm like...
Shit is just shit for us today. Everything sucked.
I know, guys. It's just a bad day for us today, though.
It's just so stupid because he's kicking all of us out and more cars are gonna come in, so it doesn't even matter. I feel like we shouldn't even leave, to be honest, but I don't know. Whoever picked this parking lot is the shitty parking lot. I live 2 minutes from here, and even I know this parking lot sucks.
Straight to the point.
So he's calling the cops. We are going to go to Porter Ranch, the Walmart. That parking lot, it's pretty well lit up, lots of space. I don't think we'll get into trouble. All of these other guys are going. I don't know who else is following, but we're gonna go for sure. So I guess I'll see you guys there. So we made it. There's a shit ton of cars, but there's absolutely no light. Out of every spot in the whole parking lot, they picked the one spot with no lights. What is up with that? But hey, you get to experience your first meet.
Experience.
It's not that bad. Damn! That's lit. Guys, I know it's a little dark, bear with me. I'm gonna try to get clips of everyone's car. You guys already know, you gotta put on lights. Oh, it's a vibe. You like it?
I do love it. Demon eyes. Jason,
Yeah.
look at your car.
It's the chandelier, guys. It's a vibe. We have light to vlog. Look, natural light. That is tight. I'm gonna show you my favorite car here because this car specifically does more for everyone than any of these other cars. You guys ready? You ready? You ready? Oh yeah! That's what I'm talking about. I have not seen this car forever. I used to see this car all the time at the gym. This thing is fucking fire. Like, I saw it from when it first started the build. Is this the homeboy CJ's car? This thing is freaking awesome. Oh my god. This shit is the cleanest Mustang, no cap. Everything you could possibly do to this car, he did it, and I saw it from day one when it was just only wrapped and back. That was it. Thank you for the love.
I love that one.
Yeah, this is nice.
Oh, yeah. That's great.
We got some wide body. Oh my god.
I got 30 minutes.
Leon,
Oh my god, it's so nice.
do this to your car, please. Do this. Spend all your money on your car and do this.
It's gonna be the first Hot Wheel that wide body though.
That's pretty mean. That's like Batmobile status.
I call this like Genesis Camaro, maybe.
I remember when I had my lift sticker. You ain't fooling anyone. Oh, fuck, I need to turn off my lights.
How's it going, guys?
Oh shit. Oh shit. You think they're gonna pull me over? I hope not. I'm already parked here. Just throw it onto my windshield. It was a fun meet, everyone. I'll see you tomorrow. It's all good. Alright, man, what was your name again?
My name's Jose.
Jose, nice to meet you, buddy.
Nice to meet you, man.
He watches the videos. Thank you so much.
Always.
What do we got over here? 250s?
So we got 350s, well, two 350s, and then one 250, which is
Hey,
mine.
250 boys, what's up?
Exactly. There's like two different.
Are you guys from here? You came.
We're from here. We're from the valley, actually.
Oh shit.
Yeah, from Van Nuys. We got the gray one here, the white one, which is mine. I need a
Nice.
noise.
This thing is nice.
We got the other 350 right here.
Damn, look at those wheels.
Yeah, just gotta drop it. That's it.
All right, guys. So Jose wants to hear the car in person. I don't know if you're gonna like it. It's not as loud, but we'll get your honest opinion. Yeah.
Let's see. Let's see.
Jason, someone else can do that again.
One more.
It's still slow.
Can you imagine when you see your dream car?
Bro, you gonna get it or what?
I fucking gotta get it.
How many more years?
Give me like 1 or 2 more years, I'm gonna get it. Follow my journey. You will see if I'm telling you the truth or not.
I know you see the crowd. Buy me that new Benz, I wanna slide around the town.
God damn.
Yeah, so far I really love it. The best. It shoot flames, right?
We got a subscriber over here, Vincent.
What's
Dude,
up,
nice
man?
to meet you, man.
Nice
Your
to meet you,
car-
Jason. What's
your car-
good? My bad, man.
Your car is amazing.
Thanks, bro. Appreciate it.
Oh, now we got some light on it. Look at these wheels.
Yo, shout out to Lexus Society. Love y'all.
Hey.
You know what I'm saying?
That's my boy, too. Dude, this thing is nice. How have I not seen you in the valley before? Like, what?
I don't know, man. I've been following you around everywhere.
Well, thank you for coming out.
Hell yeah,
I'm hyped
bro.
to see your car.
Appreciate it, man. It's good meeting you, bro. Yeah, it's a direct fit for this conversion, I guess. It's basically the conversion of yours, but...
Yeah. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that meet. Leon, did you like your first car meet? Was it fun hanging out with me?
So cool. It was so fun hanging out with Jason today.
Hell yeah. His intake that he gave me, when I shift past 4,000 or 5,000 RPM, it goes, bah. Like, it's not a crazy pop, but I was tripping out so hard that I had to call him on the phone and I asked him, is that my car? He's like, yeah, you didn't know you were popping?
When we left the meeting, and then he just like keep popping, and I'm like, I think Jason know about it. And then like 2 minutes later, he just literally called me. I'm like, Leon, did you just heard that pop? I'm like, bruh.
I was like, where's that coming from? That's not me. Dude, thank you so much for the intake. You're the best.
Yeah,
Like,
it's always the.
we came over here because, you know, the meet's over. Everyone left. We wanted to end the vlog here, get some lighting. Look at these cars. Oh my God, this is like showroom status. And then we're gonna use his camera too for his channel. So don't forget, subscribe to his channel. It'll be right here for you guys to click on and check out his vlogs. It's pretty much gonna end it here. I'm gonna give you guys one flyby after we're done shooting photos and filming everything. I'm just gonna get one right here before I leave, so you guys can kind of hear it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. We're gonna have a lot more videos on the channel. I still have many things I wanna do with this car, and that's it. I will catch you in the next video. And don't forget, it's always better to look good
Then to feel good.
Yee! Oh. Later.